Hi guys, this is Nelson and today we're going to be making brownies on a vintage French mess kit. Follow me to the base camp. This is the French M35 mess kit. It was introduced on 12 November 1936, which is 70 years and 1 day before I was born, and was standard use in the French army until 1954. The mess kit has a bail handle allowing you to hang it over a fire, and the lid also has a handle making it a great pan. And inside we find a dish. What makes this mess tin so special to us today is that the shape of the mess tin makes a good oven. To make our brownies, we're going to use the brownie mix we bought in the supermarket. We're going to take out the contents of the packet here. And then we're going to pour everything in this mess tin. That does seem enough, I think. Okay, and now we're going to just simply add water and stir. We're going to add the water a little bit at a time because the water's easier to pour in than to get out. Okay, we've made our mix and now we're going to light the bush box. Our fire has settled down and I've lined the dish with baking paper. Now I'm going to transfer the brownie mix. Here, this corner, then scoop it out to the baking paper. Okay. Okay, now we're going to put our mess tin on the fire. The mess tin at the back here is even with the back of the bush box. Now we're going to put this grill in to prevent the brownie from burning at the bottom. Now we're going to put our brownie mix in. Oh, that good brownie mix. And now we're going to put our lid onto the mess tin. That. And while I wait, I'm going to clean out the batter of the brownies with my spoon. To help maintain the heat in our oven, we're going to use our windshield even though it's not that windy today. Before I do that, I have to move this wood. Yep. Let's put this here. I'm going to put this around on the stove. This. Good. We want our oven to be at a constant temperature, so we're going to add wood one piece at a time. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes. Let's see how our brownie is doing. And I'm wearing gloves because the oven will be very hot. I'm first going to take away our windshield. Okay, let's take our brownie out. Whoops, looks like our brownie got stuck to the top of the oven. Well, let's try it. I mean, can't be that bad. Still delicious. Well, this was the video for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!